Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And in that video, guys, we're going to analyze for you here the Bitcoin in the daily. So for long-term investors, if you want to enter for long-term investment, you need to enter based on the daily chart. If you are a swing trader, you need to enter based on 4 hours time frame, and also we're going to analyze it for you. And if you are a scalper or a day trader, you need to enter based on 30-minute, guys, and we're going to analyze it for you. So stay tuned and watch the whole video. Don't try to skip any part of it. We're going to give you very highly accurate analysis, guys. So let's start the lesson of today, guys. So as you see, guys, here in the daily, yesterday it finished that candle here, and in the last video also we tell it to you we're going to go higher tail here, and that's what happened exactly, guys, because also what we told you we got 2 levels. We got that level here and we got the one here. Now that level here, that first one here, it's showing from there a rejection. We don't know how that daily candle how it's going to finish, but let's hope it's going to continue going up or tail here. That's something very good. But down here the volume, it's telling us also we are not going to go higher, guys, because all that will happen in here because one thing, because Brazil yesterday they said they are going to give legislation or regulation to use Bitcoin in the country of them, and Brazil is a huge country with population. They got a lot of population. They just waiting the president of them to sign it, that law, so the Bitcoin it will be legal to use it in Brazil as a payment, and that's something very good to the crypto world. Plus another thing, that Fidelity is a very big platform or exchange for stock market. They said they are going to have even them the cryptocurrency of them. So because in America FTX, when it went bankrupt, it's left a huge empty place for cryptocurrency, and Fidelity is going to enter and to fill it. And that's something very good, because Fidelity is about big platform and they got huge capital, and that's something very good. But today we need to make a close eye at the Fed chair Jerome Powell. What he's going to say is going to talk at 6:30 GMT time, so we need to make a close eye at him, what he's going to say. That fundamental. And here, as you see, guys, the technical, also we say this here, we got that 2 levels here. We need either the Bitcoin to come up to break here, or it's going to come down and to break down here. That here for long term, it's need one of 2 here to happen. And here, look at it here, guys. Look with me. I will not draw on top of it. Look here. Look like that, and like that. What's it giving you here? You see it or no? It give you here a head and shoulder, guys. It's very clear head and shoulder here in the daily. So should you base your trading about that head and shoulder? Yes, if it came and break here, a candle came and break in here, you came and you bring in that one here like that, and you do it like that. That means it's going to go till here, till that place here. That's what also we're telling you before, but we need at least that one to come inside. If it came inside at the right time for us to enter long. Till now, that one is just indicating the market will go just till here. And that's what me I told for swing traders. I told them to enter long because of those things. And that way also we enter long in swing trading, guys. Picture is too clear, guys? By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, guys, we put in for you every day 2 videos. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now from professional people. That the job of them, not people they never ever trade. Ask people they've been with us, the signals also we giving them. Also we giving very highly accurate signals to enter in Bitcoin, guys. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is it in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, what else we said about that? We said we got here the trend line here of the divergence. We said it when we used to be here. You can find it even still in the last video, guys. And I told you we need to make a close eye at that level here. What happened here? Now, look at it. It came upward, guys, till here. And I told you where also we're going to take profit here. When it's going to touch here, that downtrend line here, that up one, that white one here, we're going to take profit. Did it touch it? Not yet, guys. Also, we're still going up. As you see it, when we reach here, we're going to take some of the profit because also we enter here in the daily. From down here, we enter. When we touch that 15K, also we enter. I am the only channel with tell people to enter long. Majority of the others, they started scaring you. Oh, Bitcoin is going to go to 10K. Some of them, they said, warning, 10K, 9K. Also, we told you to enter long. Where we are now. Yesterday, we are 17K. Now, what the viewer think, tell here. Here, we're going to take some profit and we're going to leave the rest to run, guys. If we go up, fair enough. If it's not, we are not losing nothing. Then we wait it to go back, then we buy again. Everything is too clear. By the way, to learn our trading strategy, the money management, everything down below in the first comment, there is our highly recommended course. The course is going to teach you everything how to invest in Bitcoin and how to trade in Bitcoin. By the way, the course is not expensive. It's only $13, guys. It's the price of a cup of coffee. Go to it. You're going to find a very huge information to all those things, how to deposit, how to open a brokerage, everything in that course. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. In the 4 hours, where also we enter long. We enter long from that candle here, where we used to have here a triangle like that. From here we enter us. Where we put stop loss, we put it down here. And where we put in the take profit here. Yes or no? Where we are now? We are in profit, guys. Look where we are. We fall down till here. But what I told you yesterday when we fall down till here. I told you either from here is going to go up or is going to continue down. And I show you even that price action he gave us here. That one. People that been with us, they see it. That one. Over here we break it, guys. And here it's showing us a candle indicating that the market is going to continue higher. Now what should we do? We need to make a close eye at that peak here. If that chart here is going to come and to break up or here, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. But now what should you do? You need to start thinking of to look some of the profit, guys, and to move stop loss up or something like that, because you can't trust in this market, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. So now we got that one, guys. Look at that uptrend, that one here. You see it how it draw it from here and here. You follow it, what the Bitcoin is going to do to it. If we're going to come back down and we go up, or we are going to go from here higher, guys, because till now also we couldn't break that supply and demand zone here, as you see it, guys. That one we couldn't break it. It came to it, but it couldn't break it. Yes, that candle here is showing a pin bar from down, but till now there is no power to break upward, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. I see that candle came with big volume. What happened to it? It came here, then it's showing here a rejection, guys. So now try to protect yourself and take some of the profit and waiting if it's going to go higher till here till the 200 moving average. We're going to take all the profit, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. I'm talking here about swing trading, guys. Now let's see our indicators, what the same for picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it. When we been yesterday here, what I told you here at that level here, what did I told you? You can find it still in our channel, guys. The last 2 videos, just go and watch them and you're going to find all that analysis there. What I told you here? I told you, look here, high, low here. And it needs to give us another high. Did it give it to you? Yes, my friend, look at it. And it's break for us here, that downtrend here, or the divergence trend line here. Now what should we do, guys? There is a correction going to come. It's going to come a correction, guys. Maybe till here, we don't know till where. But us, we're going to take profit always if it came here to the overbought area, guys. At the right time for us to take profit. Now, we try to protect ourselves because also we are in profit now. And if it go up more, we take more profit, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Everything is very clear. Also, we enter because we used to have here a divergence, guys. Look at it. It stay here. And we're thinking of it's going to go more higher than that, guys. Till here, till the overbought area, guys. Yes, there is a correction going to come, but that normal, guys, because the market doesn't work like that, just like that uptrend. It's working with waves. Look at it. All those ones, they are waves. You saw them. Now it came here. There is a correction going to come. And after that, we're going to see if we are going to go higher more or not. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you, guys. The one here, guys, also we enter because we used to be here at the oversold area level. We used to be in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Price action, we used to have one. That what why us we enter from here. Now what that indicator of us is showing to you guys? It started getting green. See it or no here? So it's the right time guys for started thinking of to take some of the profit guys. And look at that head and shoulder I show you in the daily guys. Look at it here. How is it? You see it or not? So that one guys is going to go till here, till it will touch in here that 200 moving average. Why that 200 moving average? Look with me here guys. Look, you see here that supply and demand zone here, it's been reacting like a support. When it's getting broke, it become like a resistance. So now our view, it's need to come till here. Then also from there we're going to see if it's going to come back inside. If it came inside here, 100% at the bottom guys. If it doesn't come back inside, that's another story. If it just came till here, till the 200 moving average, then you see it falling down, that's another story guys. But now you people they enter from here with us, now started thinking of to take some of the profit guys. Started thinking of to take some of the profit or protect yourself. Move the stop loss upward or something like that, depending which broker you're using guys. Everything is too clear. By the way, you my friend, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it please. Support us guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please support us, smashing the like button, writing down comment. It's not something hard. It's just 1 second from your time. Pause the video now, smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much my friend. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there guys. Here we are in 30 minutes guys. In 30 minutes where else we enter? People they being with us. Where else we enter long? We enter from here. Why we enter long? Because we used to have here that price action. Here we enter long guys. Last video used to be here in that level here. I told you started thinking of to take some of the profit and protect yourself. What happened here guys? Look at it. He make that correction like that, then he went up. What me I told you, if you want to enter short here as a scalper or day trader, what me I told you? I told you like that. We draw in here a channel like that. That channel is breaking down. No my friend, it's breaking upward here, but now it's showing it's going down. Now if it's breaking down here, you enter short. Why? I'm going to tell you why guys. It's our indicators what they saying. Our indicator guys, as you see it, will be in yesterday here at that level here. I told you need to take off some of the profit guys. Yes or no? But look where we are now. So if you're taking some of the profit and you're protecting yourself, look where you are. You make more profit guys. And you follow it with stop loss because you need to catch all the whole uptrend guys. That's the difference between us and other guys. Others, they never ever trade. They just give you analysis, just getting pictures from Google and they came the analyzing for you. Also, we give you very highly accurate analysis guys. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying. Our other indicator guys, why also we tell you to enter. If you remember, we used to be here down. We used to have here a divergence like that. Yes or no? That's why also we tell you we need to enter long. Now what it's showing to you, it came here to the overbought area. Now it's going down guys. Now what should we do? We need to make a close. If is going to give us here a divergence or something, then also we're going to enter short again guys. Till now here it's showing it's still going up. But as if you remember what me I told you, who controlling here is the bulls guys. So now also we are in a bull market guys here in 30 minutes. Picture is too clear guys. So that's it for that video guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now guys.